Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out Builder Gel in a bottle. So a few months ago, Madam Glam sent me some products to try out, and these are some of the products that were included. I will link to that video if you'd like to check out that review. I was asked to do a Builder Gel nail design, and I must admit I thought this would be easy. This is hard. Years ago, I used to watch those Russian manicurists doing it and they made it look effortless, but there is a learning curve to it. Also, if you'd like to purchase from Madam Glam, you can use my code. It would be in the description below. So I use my product prep to dehydrate my natural nails in preparation for the Builder Gel application. Then I applied my Madam Glam base coat on my natural nails and cured for 30 seconds. Applying nail forms can be tricky. I still haven't gotten the hang of it fully. Sometimes I get it and sometimes it's difficult. It's never always easy for me to apply. Starting on the index nail, I applied the Builder Gel at the cuticle area. I ensured that I did not have too much product on the brush, just enough so that I can control where it goes, or at least try to control it. So I just placed it on the nail near the cuticle. Then I try to guide it down the nail towards the tip. Just be careful not to get any Builder Gel on your skin. Also ensure that your nail is facing downwards so that gravity can do its thing. The only issue I had is that the gel kept leaking over the sides, so you have to be a bit careful when doing that, but filing would take care of that. Honestly, it wasn't so bad when I got the hang of it. My application still was not good, but it will get there with practice. And this color is really nice too. It's a really pretty beige color. On the middle nail, I did not apply enough of the gel, so I had to do another layer. I also cured for 30 seconds between each layer. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and comment, and thank you to all who try to get here as soon as the video goes live. This helps the channel out a lot, so thank you very much. So I'll let you guys watch my application and I'll be back when it's time to file the nails. So when I was completed with all of the nails, I wiped off the tacky layer with some alcohol. This is a side view of the nails. I didn't do any apex because the nails are short, it's not necessary. And now it's time for filing, so I just filed the sides of the nails to remove the bulk on the sides because these nails came out horrible if you ask me. Also, I didn't create an apex with these nails, they are flat. I wanted it to be as natural looking as possible and I liked it short. I'm starting short with Builder Gel and gradually I'll move up, so next time I might go a little longer if I'm comfortable. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I'm using my Madam Glam Navy Blue and I apply one layer to the ring finger and cure it for 30 seconds. Then on the middle finger I'm doing a French nail with the blue gel polish, then I cured. Now onto the pinky nail. I did a swirl nail. It's kind of unique, but unique is good. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was just going with the flow with this design right here and it came out good if you asked me. I'm using my McCart number 1 detail brush by the way. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Now, using my 5D cat eye gel polish, I placed it on the ring finger and cured for 30 seconds. Then I placed another layer on the ring finger and using my magnet to move the pigment to give it the cat eye effect, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I did the same for my other nails. So I did one nail at a time because someone advised me to do so when using cat eye gel polish. Usually I would apply the cat eye gel polish to 2 or 3 of the nails and then use the magnet and cure. But it's better if you do one nail at a time and cure so that the pigment that was moved to give it the cat eye effect by the magnet doesn't have time to revert to its natural state. Now, when I was completed, I used my Model 1's gel glue and top coat on the pinky and index nail. I was going to use my Madam Glam top coat, however I am using Model 1's gel glue, so I just decided to use the same brand of top coat. Then I placed a rhinestone on both nails and then a few beads around the rhinestones and cured for 30 seconds. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So this design was really cute and I really liked it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. So let me know what you think of this design. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!